Alright, so I had a dye kit that wasn't all the right size cartridges for the gun. The cartridge I have is way too small for that thread. So I couldn't use nothing in this kit. I come out to my truck, and look, I got my backup gauges here, and they have, shut-offs on them. They're just cheap set. They work good. Another set of eyes when I need them. Well, you can see, man, there's just dye everywhere on these things. So I shut this off and filled it up with the dye, just like I'm holding it now, and put it onto the 410 tank. And then I had this shut off and put it onto the unit, and then I turned the 410i on and blasted some in there. Now I got a little air in the line, but I did get the dye in there, and we found that the coil had a leak. So under warranty, the coil gets replaced. Where I am today, I just want to show you how to clean your hoses and your gauges. It can be cleaned this way. You're just going to take some straight up rubbing alcohol. Got it from Rite Aid. I'm going to pour it right up in the nozzle. This stuff's nasty. We got some grass here. You can just see the dye just dumbing right out. And I will flush it now, but I can't do that one-handed, so you get the idea. I'm going to run alcohol through it till it's clean.